It's little. They're so good. They're actually from Korea. Made from soy milk. It's called soy milk matcha. I use this all over my face because it's explosive sweat. The rice water, the rice you have to use it. Hey guys, I'm back in my medicine cabinet. Just found a great place. It's just a good place I want to talk about my favorite Japanese beauty products. If you guys don't know, I live in Japan. I'm leaving soon in like 2.5 weeks, because I gotta finish, I'm visiting every country in the world, so I've got to finish my goal of visiting every country in the world. I also have to go refresh my skydiving license. I'm a professional skydiver, and if you don't skydive for a certain amount of time, they revoke your license. So I've got to go skydiving. So I will be in Dubai because I have to go work on my license to upgrade to the next license. So that will be fun. I'll be posting all about that. But anyways, I'm still in Japan and I love it here. It's my favorite place on earth. And I want to talk about my favorite Japanese products in the world. Beauty products, because they have the best beauty products. They really do. They make the best stuff. I think they're rated #1 right now with hair care products, like in the world. They're pumping out some of the best hair care products. And they've held some of the titles for the best mascaras, face washes, and different stuff. We'll talk about it. So I just want to talk about literally all of my top favorite Japanese beauty products. So if you're planning a trip to Japan, you write down or screenshot the stuff I'm promoting so you can buy it yourself. Or if you're not planning a trip to Japan, you can buy it from me. I sell all of this stuff. All of it? Yeah, I put all this stuff, I think everything I'm mentioning is available on my website. I'll link my website down below where I ship to you guys directly, straight from here in Japan. So if you want anything I talk about in this video, it's available on my website. I'll link down below and you can buy it directly from me. So yeah, let's go through everything I love. We've got beauty, we've got hair, skin, bath, body, all that stuff. By the way, do you like this kimono? It's beautiful, no? I live in Kyoto, which is where kimonos are from. So there's all these beautiful kimono shops everywhere. And by the way, I'm selling this one. I don't need it. I think I own maybe 10 kimonos because every time I'm out shopping, I'll just get another one because they're so beautiful. But isn't this one gorgeous? It's also available on my website because I'm only wearing this for this video. There's only one of this one I found, and it's so beautiful. It's really long. It goes past my feet. I'll show you. But if you want this is also available on my website because I don't need it. I actually bought it to put on my website. So I found these face masks. I've been using face masks every day, just about, but I try different ones. I've fallen in love with these Vaseline masks because, oh my gosh, they're amazing. A pack of 3 is available on my website, but they're so good. They're actually from Korea, but everything they have in Korea, like this is not originally Japanese, they have here. Oh my gosh, immediately your skin feels baby soft. Like this is really good if you have texture. If you have dry skin, this is amazing. It says that the mask, this one is packed with petroleum jelly and hyaluronic acid. Oh my gosh, this face mask, your skin feels baby soft afterward. It also has niacinamide in it and shea butter. It's so good. So yeah, I just immediately, it's one of those masks where you immediately feel the difference. So a pack of 3, and they're so cheap here. So yeah, a pack of 3 is available on my website. They're amazing. I use them right before I do my skincare. I love this. Is basically my only skincare that I use. after I wash my face, I also put on, oh yeah, I'll talk about the vitamin C toner in a second, but hydrating toner. And then I put on these two. These are my favorite. This is moisturizer made from soy milk. It's so hydrating. This is, sometimes I use this all over my face because it's so good. It's so thick. And I love it because I like thick stuff. I don't like thin formulas at all. And this is just so thick and it blends really easily into my skin, and it just leaves my skin feeling baby soft. It's so good. It gives a glow. And yeah, I just love the feel. Oh, it just feels so good. So I use this as eye cream, but sometimes I'll use that as my entire moisturizer. But if not, this is the same brand. So they're the Sana soy milk eye cream and moisturizer. Hydrating. And I have that, both of those, I put them in my Valentine's Day box. If you don't know, I have a Valentine's Day box available on my website. Still available. If you order now, you will get it before Valentine's Day. And I put both of those, the eye cream and the face moisturizer, in the box because that's not available separately on my website. So yeah, that's skincare. And then yeah, this is, if you come to Japan, you will literally see this everywhere. You'll see it in every convenience store. You'll see it in every beauty store, every pharmacy. They're like, this is everywhere because it's like one of the most viral products. It's been around for years. It's hyaluronic acid, vitamin C toner. Yeah, it's really good and it's giant. It lasts you forever. I literally just finished this and I got this around when I first got to Japan. So yeah, that's everything really skincare I really want to talk about. And the eye cream is just, I think, is my favorite of all of it. This eye cream. I put this in my Valentine's Day box. Next, I talked about this a trillion times. The hair honey. This is also, I think, this has been rated one of the best hair oils in the world. It's world renowned at this point, and it's so good. It's from N Honey, which is a Japanese brand. This has 3 different types, if you can see. It's 30% acacia honey, 50% manuka honey, and 20% raw honey. So this formula literally is 90% honey, 10% other ingredients, but it's just like ridiculous amount of honey. It's like putting honey in your hair. Yeah, like I said, 3 different types of honey, and it's so good. It's just that hair oil that you just put on your hair every day. This is not a scalp oil. This is a root oil. I mean, this is not a scalp oil. This is a hair length oil. So it's what you apply to your hair length just to keep everything shiny and gorgeous and beautiful. It's so good. It looks like, yeah, it'll just add that amazing, I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. This is like the Gisu hair honey. I'm pretty sure they might be similarly formulated. I don't know. Website, yeah, it's so good. I have my hair in a bun, but I would usually put it throughout my hair as well. And the rest of my body. This is available on my website if you want it. It's a pack of 2. So if you order it, I ship you 2 bottles. It's really good and it smells really good. It smells like delicious sweet honey scent. So that's amazing. I talked about that so many times throughout my videos here. Another hair thing. So I've been on a healthy hair journey. I stopped using heat in my hair actually the last day of 2023, and I've just been doing everything healthy for my hair, and this product is amazing. It's essentially what I use as my curl cream. It's the High Damage Repair Treatment. I put this on at night, sleep in it. Sometimes I leave it in during the day. It makes my hair, my curls so juicy. I put it in and let it dry, and when I wash it out, my hair just feels like butter. My hair feels like, when I feel my hair, I'm like, My hair just feels like butter. This is amazing, and I feel like it just makes my curls look so good. But yeah, it's high damage repair treatment, really big in Japan, also available on my website. Amazing. I love this product. I definitely saw a difference immediately, like after the first use. You notice the difference in how your hair feels. It restores your hair. It's so good, and it's a big bottle. It lasts you a long time. You could probably use that about twice a week if you have damaged or if you use heat on your hair. Right along with that, the most viral hair mask, I think. I don't have TikTok, but I heard this went completely viral on TikTok. All hair types, you use it and you're like, whoa, when you wash it out. You only need it in your hair and actually I mix it. So when I use it, I do like a scoop of the hair mask and I pump oil into it and mix it in my hands and put it on your hair, and your hair is just gonna be like, thank you, thank you. It just makes your hair just, oh my goodness, it's insane. The main ingredient here is squalene. Also, it's got shea butter, hyaluronic acid, coconut oil. It's just amazing, and it really will make your hair look like glass. It's called the glass hair mask. That is why it looks. The next thing I want to talk about, I don't know if this categorizes as beauty. Is it beauty? No, I don't know. I like it. These are bath salts, but this literally means explosive sweat. And that's exactly what it does. It's bath salt, so you just run yourself a bath and then you pour this in the bath. And when I tell you, you get in there and whoa, your body will sweat like crazy. Like you're literally sitting in the bath dripping in sweat. I love this, especially if, well, sweating is just good for you in general, or if say you don't have access to a sauna, you know, going to the sauna is so good for you to sit and sweat in the heat. But if you don't have a sauna to go to, oh my gosh, and it will have you sweating for 20 minutes. It says it on there. I've used this so many times, especially if your body's in pain too. It relaxes your whole body. Like you're just like in the bath sweating like crazy and your whole body just feels so relaxed. This is ginger. This one is ginger scent, so it smells like ginger. You do not drink this. It's bath salt, so you can kind of tell. But yeah, I just love these so much because also it feels hot. Like it's not that it makes the bath hot, it just makes you sweat. Like I don't really know how it works. This is a sweat bath powder and I use them like once a week. They're so good. I love it. And then afterward I love to get up and put the shower on and do like a cold shower. I don't know. But yeah, these are amazing. My favorite, by far, one of my favorite things from here in Japan. It's the hair growth rice. Everyone talks about rice water and how good it is, but no one talks about the rice water. The rice you have to use is this rice. It's the Japanese sticky rice. It's a completely different grain. The grain is nothing like what you have in the US. They're so adamant this rice is grown like an hour away from me from a farm. I pick it up at a local farm. They mill it fresh. It's even hot when I pick up the bags. When I go pick up the bags, they're hot when I'm getting them because the rice is freshly milled. And it's the use of this rice is packed. This is the type of rice you could eat and eat and eat and eat and eat and eat and you never gain any weights. That's why Japanese people aren't fat, because they eat trawls of this kind of rice every day. It's a completely different rice than they have in the US. They're little circles. Like the rice in the US is like long. This rice, they're like little circles. And this is the rice that is packed with the vitamin B and all the nutrients that make your hair grow so fast. So this is available on my website. It's a 2-pound bag. I also put a spray bottle. If you get it from me, I add a spray bottle in there. Nothing has been more transformative for my hair than rice. It even like made my curls look more defined because of all the nutrients it has in here. It's packed with protein. I have it ferment. This is just the jar where I ferment my rice water, and it doesn't smell at all. This has been fermenting for a week. I'm gonna let it go another week. It doesn't smell at all. When I would make rice water to ferment with other rices in other countries, it smelled horrible. Oh. It's called the Latte Body Milk. This is available on my website, Latte Body Milk Treatment. This has been like, when I get out of the shower and I cover my body in this lotion and go to sleep and wake up, I can't like stop feeling my legs. Like they're just so freaking soft. And it also is made to help with blemishes. So if you have like strawberry legs or scars on your legs, or your skin just isn't flush, like you've got scratches or bruise, like left behind marks on your body, over time this will clear up your skin because it's got niacinamide in it, and it's got soy milk. That's why it's called a latte. And soy milk, it's in so many the beauty ingredients here in Japan. Soy milk like brightens and smooths the appearance of your skin. This is my favorite lotion, and they're also available on my website. Yeah, just body milk treatment. It will over time. Last thing I wanted to talk about is my cleanser. It's all wet. So this is the cleanser I used. I love it. It's green tea matcha cleanser. It's actually made here in a factory literally like an hour away from where I live in Kyoto. So I want to show this. Alright, that's mine. But it's so good. It has matcha in there, which is smoothing, brightening. It helps with texture. It helps with uneven skin tone. But yeah, this is the matcha cleansing balm. So when I wash my face, I scoop some out. It'll turn to an oil. When you do this, it'll turn to an oil, and then you wash your face with it. Gets all your makeup off, gets all your mascara off. It's amazing. Start to look more even. If you have discoloration, it'll get rid of discoloration or texture. It's just amazing, and it's the best cleansing balm I've ever used, and it's available on my website. On my hair, it's an all-purpose oil. Amazing, made from the Japanese flower Camellia flower, which is also called the Tubaki flower, and this is 100% oil, the Tubaki oil, no other ingredient. That beautiful flower in Japan that they're everywhere, it's made from that. And this is an all-purpose oil, hair, skin, face, body, feet, whatever. And it's good because it soaks in really fast. That's why I like it. It doesn't linger. So yeah, that's also available on my website. Is that all I want to talk about today? That's everything. Those are all my favorite Japanese beauty products. I use a lot of stuff, but that stuff is my favorite. Yeah. So like I said, most of the stuff I mentioned here is available on my website, and I think this stuff would make great Valentine's Day gifts. But if not, I have a Valentine's Day box where I chock a box full of amazing stuff, the cutest Valentine's Day stuff, snacks, beauty products. I put my moisturizer, my eye cream in there. I put both Tubaki oils in there. I put the bath salts in there. I put the cutest chocolates and most delicious chocolates, and I just chocked the box full. And I also put a kimono in my Valentine's Day box. How beautiful is this kimono? It ombres to red. It's pink, but it ombres to red. It's got gorgeous flowers all over it, and this goes in every single Valentine's Day box. I think it would be the most perfect gift for a loved one, your sister, your girlfriend, your cousin. So this kimono goes in a Valentine's Day box. That's available on my website. Or if you just want to order a box of snacks, that's available on my website. I've got everything. I've got everything you need to take a piece of Japan home with you. Yeah, that's the end of the video. That's everything I want to mention. I think the video's long enough. Yeah, and when you guys get your packages, please send me a picture. The pictures melt my heart. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.